The Dorbar Shnong of Mawlai, Syllaikariah today decided to boycott the upcoming Lok Sabha polls as a mark of protest against the failure of the state government to repair the roads in the locality. This decision was taken by the executive committee of the Dorbar Shnong. Talking to a section of the reporters, Mawlai Syllaikariah assistant Rangba Shnong A. Kharkongor said that the roads in the locality have been damaged in view of the laying of blue pipes by the PHE Department for Greater Shillong Water Supply Scheme GSWSS Phase 3 funded under JNNURM. According to him, the government has not taken steps to repair the damaged road since 2022 despite repeated reminders. Kharkongor said that prior to the laying of the blue pipes, the Dorbar Shnong, through its own funding, had renovated the roads only to be damaged later.
PHE kelawan man ti pipe man tap itu ki pipe. Ding tu kalau shui untuk claim repair claim issue. Te kai kaba kham pen diau ini Shnong kalong bah mensua na do nang tay nalat na imila pendut pisan ng Shnong ya kaban penbahai kini site yung surok lembaga kapan Shnong kat bengi la kot boy kala kham ikut isuba ten re habawan gani PHE pada kati no ye gitu ki kabamut la pencot no ka ba ngini la sna.
Party leader